Depending on who you would ask, French fries could be a perfect side to any food, or a weapon of dietary destruction. But if you do decide to cook some frozen French fries and you don't have much oil and your oven is not working, then this video is for you. I will show you how to cook frozen French fries in a pan and still get a nice and crispy result without requiring any cooking skills. Take a non-stick frying pan and over medium-high heat, pour a little oil. About 1 tablespoon of cooking oil will be quite sufficient. Do not thaw the fries. Using them straight from the freezer will give you the most crispy result. Add frozen French fries to a frying pan, preferably in a single layer. Fry undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes until golden brown and crusty on one side. Keep flipping or stirring the fries and cook until golden brown on all sides. Season with salt and pepper or any other seasoning that you like. Remove the fries from the pan and put them on a bowl or plate. If you don't want to feel guilty about eating French fries, then check out how to make super healthy sweet potato fries in an air fryer. I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.